Legoland Windsor. Alright, I haven't made a video in a fair while. My creativity has been stifled. So here I am, having some fun, making a video with my friends at Legoland Windsor. I'm going to show you the Lego. Yay! Look at this terrifying beast.
He needs a new shoe. You guys are late.
Oh, we're going into Imaginationland.
It's a pole. It has moles and there's moles on a pole. Mole pole.
Minifigures and more, the ultimate brick store. I think this is where you can make yourself. Cool. Want to make a tiny me? You will need 2 eyes. Or maybe 3 eyes.
I'm definitely going to do that. Oh my god.
This is what I was wondering about. What expensive kits have you got? $329.99 Emma, a Bugatti Chiron kit. But look, there's a lot in here. Wow. I bet that's really cool. There's the life-size full Bugatti Chiron model. Comparison, here's my hand. This thing is huge. What is this?
You make one of it. Here, look, that one's mine. It's green and purple.
That one? Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. Touch the screen to begin. Alright. I want this wacky thing. Build me. Oh gosh. Fast forward to when it's completed. Right. This is my fish. Nope. Okay. Build me. Is he going to go off? Swim into the reef. Where is he? Got to spot him now.
He'll turn up any second.
Where does they appear from? There he is.
There he is.
Here he comes.
Mine's
Yay.
still there, look.
And yours is right below me. I built that little dude there. Jodie has built a fish, but I'm gonna feed them. Cool. Everyone loves Lego. Look at my wildly unpractical car. Addison's building a car. So you came here, Jodie, with the goal of making yourself out of Legos.
Yep.
And you did.
I did.
So you're the one on the right.
With the pink hair, unsurprisingly.
Addison is the middle one.
You mean the barbarian?
Barbarian is the middle one.
Stop revealing my identity.
And that's some random woman.
Yeah, she
How much was this?
£7. Well, £6.99.
$6.99, and you had to find the individual bits that you wanted.
Yep.
That's
the hair,
cool.
the face, and my face actually is double-sided.
You Two-Face, and also there's tons of Harry Potter Wizards Unite stuff in this park. Right, photo. Jodie's here too.
I'm alive.
The attention to detail at Legoland is pretty cool. Just around the back of a seating area, Lego flamingos in this lake. A lovely lake it is too. Some big fish in the lake. Can you see it yet? Look at the size of that fish. Behind me is the Lego Hotel. Plus there's a weird creepy brick guy. Look, a brick guy. So there's another hotel, the Legoland Castle Hotel. This is a hotel. That's a hotel. I think this is a new ride, the Haunted House Monster Party. But I'm not going to go on it because there's a massive queue because there's a school trip. There's a train and there's a man on a clipboard. Does he have to wave every time he goes over that bridge? we're going to go on Lego Ninjago the ride. Now, we have no idea what it is, so we'll let you know if it's any good. There's dragons and temples and ninjas. It's your thing. Yes, it's a dark ride. Dark ride. Yes, dark. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what? That was okay. We're going on the Spinning Spider Teacups Waltzer ride. Look at this massive Lego spider next to the queue line. It's got like one eye missing, which is slightly odd. On that ride, you're in control of the spinning once it starts. After achieving warp speed on the spinners, we're going into the land of the Vikings now. Yes. Where have I seen this bin sign before? Oh yeah, Jodie got a tattoo of a bin at Legoland.
Yeah, it was great.
These Viking rapids look really fun. Look at that dragon. Look at that dragon.
Smell all the fresh fragrance of
Dragons.
Come on, there's
Yeah,
a
a fun little.
Come on, Clutch.
The Lego Death Star that Peter Parker, Tom Holland was building. Can you guess? Can you guess? Wow. But you do get all these cool little characters in it.
It's not even the one they were building.
They built a way more complex one than that.
Yeah, they built the special edition one I've got. It took me 2 days.
Model making studio. I think, Emma, this is the place where they make all the things that are going to be out in the park. They're making a Mona Lisa, Star Wars stuff, a football stadium. Oh gosh, it goes back quite far and there's all sorts of desks and designs and all sorts. Drills, glues. Yeah, don't copyright me. Let's take a look around and see what Lego busts they have up here. Nice. Vader. Nelson Mandela. Luciano Pavarotti. Marilyn Monroe. Not quite right. Salvador Dali. Yeah. How many times has that mustache been broken by overeager children? Beethoven. William Shakespeare. Catherine Middleton. That must be a new edition. Prince William. He has way less hair than that in real life. Prince Philip. Same for the hair situation. And the Queen. My favourite part of this thinking statue, apart from they're all glued on, is the pigeon and the white bricks to symbolise bird poop all the way down. Never really realised, but from this upper floor of the Miniland thing, Legoland, you can see quite a lot of London, including, I zoom in just enough, Windsor Castle. And then if I pan over here, past this big tree, Heathrow Airport. And you've got the planes coming over every 49 seconds. I can see the arch over Wembley Stadium, but the camera won't pick it up. There it is. Wembley Stadium arch. Hogwarts Castle. 350. One thing's for sure is nothing is cheap here. And then there's this, £650. Holy moly. Size of it though. Well, that was Legoland Windsor. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, check out some of my other theme park videos. And see you guys later. What a fun day that was.